Hi everyone, welcome to Resep Kid channel. Today I'm going to share a traditional recipe passed down from Western Sumatra, the famously Indonesian Rendang Padang. The ingredient and supporting spices are 1.5 kg of beef, 600 ml coconut milk, cooking oil, salt, beef broth, palm sugar, ambu, kaffir leaf, bay leaf, lemongrass, cinnamon, and star anise. And the spices that need to be blended together are dried chili, shallot, garlic, ground pepper, coriander, candle nut, turmeric, shredded ginger, and shredded galangal. Before I start to blend the spices together, firstly I'm going to soak the dried chili with hot water about 10 minutes. I'm going to start to cook by fry the blended spices first. And the lemongrass, bay leaf, and kaffir leaf together. And for the next step, I'm going to add in the remaining spices and seasoning. And also the coconut milk. While cooking the coconut milk, make sure it's always stirred thoroughly. Don't let the coconut milk break down. And finally, I'm going to add the beef inside. I will cook until the meat is tender and the gravy is reduced. And this dish is extremely rich in taste because of the mixed spice and coconut milk. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again for the next episode at Resep Kid channel. Bye bye.